Molly's mad.
Oh, he is.
Hairbrush. Helmet.
Nice. Okay, thumb out. Thumb out. These are so far away. Let's move them closer to Paul. Reading. Ooh, I want to fix it. I want to fix the cards. Oops, sorry. Remember? Brush hair story, then
Ocho.
Okay, let's read.
And brush hair.
Yeah. Brush hair.
Brush hair.
Okay. Reading.
Oh, see that I need a brush. Oh, sees that a brush. Okay. Sees that a toothbrush. Ollie sees that a hairbrush.
Nice job reading. Remember, Molly? One hand. That's a paintbrush. Paul, remember? One hand. That's a paintbrush.
Brush hair.
Yeah, I want.
A hairbrush.
Yeah. Two hands. That's a toothbrush.
A hairbrush.
Yeah. I want a paintbrush. No.
He's angry.
Yeah, she is angry. I want a toothbrush. No.
And yes,
And yes, I want.
a hairbrush.
Yeah. I want more brush hair story, or I'm all done.
Well,
Okay, thank you.